I just got my Nespresso coffee capsule delivery last night. I opt for the Twilight delivery service, which is essentially just courier, but they come between 6 and 10 p.m. or something, and they just drop it at your front door. It's that day delivery, so it's like courier, and it's $9. That's just wild. If I ever get groceries delivered, that's how much the grocery delivery is from like Coles or Woolworths. So these are our capsule sleeves. So we have El Priccio, which is the purple, and Roma, which I love. I love Roma. It's a lot lighter. This is Kazar. This is super strong. This is what Willie loves. And Capriccio. I swear I ordered Ristretto, which is the black. However, I must not have. And they always come in packs of 250. There's 10 in the sleeve. So yeah, they're my Nespresso capsule order.
Fish? Yeah, jellyfish.
You saw a jellyfish?
Yeah, lots of jellyfish.
Really?
And
You saw a starfish?
And what else did you build for Scar with your bucket? Did you dig some holes for him?
Good morning, Larissa. Good morning, New York City. Ready for Met Gala Monday. It's Met Gala today, this afternoon.
That's gone pretty quick. What's today? Tuesday. They were leaving on Wednesday.
Were they?
They were leaving tomorrow morning, and then because of the trip up with Scout, they decided to go tonight. They were going up.
So a little trick I do sometimes when I have like brown bananas that aren't very pretty or nice, and I know Mussy won't eat them because they're brown. He's so picky. So like I have 2 of these. So for my cereal this morning, I'll just do a little trick where I caramelize them. So I just split them up rather than just having them on my cereal. I will caramelize them first, which makes them so tasty. No sugar, it's all natural because you're just using the fruit itself. So just grabbing a hot pan, we just put them face down. And voila. I'll show you after. Can I see? Can you at least show me? How do they? Oh dear, life's a problem when your husband's in your own Adidas pants. So here we go. That is our finished result. Some nice fried up caramelized banana. If you have soft bananas, things like this is so nice just to have on your cereal if you have cereal in the morning, or make cakes. So there's my Weet-Bix again. I have gotten questions if I make my egg wrap anymore, and the answer is when I am time poor, like at the moment with a newborn, I just stick to easier options like a cereal. A cereal or like a low GI toast or something. So I've pretty much cut out non-natural sugars from my diet. Like not fruits and stuff and veggies, because that's natural fruits, not natural sugars, but just non. So like, you know, I won't necessarily have juice or things like that. I used to be a massive Coke, post-mix Coke addict. So I'd drink Coca-Cola from like McDonald's, like on the machines. I just love it, but I've cut all sugars like that out of my diet. I just have to. So yeah, that's my breakfast this morning. Mussy, show me! Show me! Show the camera! Mussy, come here! Come and show the camera! Show me, let me look close. Have you got the ears in?
I can't.
You can't? No, here, let Mama do it.
So Daddy.
Okay,
Daddy.
okay, show Daddy.
I can't play Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah, man.
He wants to show you. Look! Willie!
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
Oh. Don't worry, when Mummy's sleeping, I'm gonna swap ears with her.
No, you're not. Just because you have rubbish ears. That tickers.
Mine gets abused.
Why does it get abused?
Well, look at it. You hardly ever use it anyway.
Yeah.
4, 6, 1, 2.
I mean, it's lovely.
Right.
Bye. Oh. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Let's go. So,
Ah!
you're late.
I caught you in the
You're late.
biscuit.
What did you have for breakfast?
Good morning. Good morning. Well, look this way. Come on. Favouring is right side. Good morning. Excuse me. Okay, we'll change hands. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Eat your cheeks. Zachy says good morning. Oh, is it a bit bright? What happened? So, I'm just packing up his stuff. We are going to run errands together. Do you want to run errands together? Are you looking at me? Are you smiling? Do you smile? Do you smile? So I'm just putting stuff out. I am enjoying this so much. I'm getting a lot of questions about my Totally as a baby bag, and I'm getting a lot of questions about it in general, like do I recommend it as a handbag? And I definitely want to do a review on it because, like, trust me, it's just so fantastic. It is such a fantastic bag, and as a handbag as well, it would be amazing. I'm currently using it with my with my own personal things, like I'm doubling up, because I was actually speaking to my friend Victoria about this when she had her baby girl. When you have your first kid, you're like, oh, you know, I'm gonna have my bag and a separate bag and this and that, and then you just get to a point where you're like, screw it. With your second baby, you just throw it all in. So anyway, I just am absolutely thinking this is just fantastic. I'm enjoying every minute of using this bag as a baby bag, and it holds everything I need for Zachy, and it holds a lot I need for Mussy as well, which is really good. And right now, like on the side, there's my car key, my wallet, and then I have my coins. I even have a little catch-all, and then I throw my phone in as well. So it's so handy, and I'm doubling up, which is really good. But we're running errands, so you're coming with. Okay, current update is I'm filming on my phone. Hi guys. Because my battery died on my G7X, and yeah, we came to upload. I am uploading right now and doing firsts. If you don't know what firsts is, if you're one of my subbies that does it, you know I would tell you we race to comment first. So the upload is happening now, so it's in processing mode for 4 seconds, and then a link comes up, and then we all race to comment first. I now play. Some people are so fast, it's insane. I literally click the second I get a link and there's comments, and I'm just like, what? How did that happen? Like, it's within 0.5 of a second. It's nuts. So we play that. If you follow me on Instagram, IG stories, we play that a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna get a link, so I have to go, but I'm just updating you. I'm uploading, and I stopped at the PO box, so I've got a parcel to unbox, yay, and a story to tell you about it. But Nanny Mel's meant to be coming now, and we're gonna go and have some Thai together. Here she is!
Quick. Gimme.
Go to Nanny Mel. Mummy has to do first.
Thank you.
Okay. Perfect timing as usual. Thank you, friend.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I totally forgot to vlog this. I just smashed my rice down, but we are having Thai. And Melissa is having chili cashew nut chicken. And I'm having chili basil chicken and some samosa. That is our lunch together. So, I just got home. I want to show you guys this. Tell me this is not the cutest thing. Little bear. Oh. Okay, situated. So the story with this little parcel is that so I bought my hello L&M feline bag. They're so cool. And this t-shirt is so cool as well. I love my J'adore. I wear it with leggings and it works perfectly. So the story behind this is I did return the Louis Vuitton Jerusha 20. I think I did update you that in a vlog. I returned it, and I still was looking for a jewelry box. So I was like, oh my gosh, I still want to put, fine jewelry in something. And I was in my studio looking at all of my red boxes. I had them out. That's what I was showing you in my last vlog. And I was looking at wheels. Oh no, what happened to you? And I was looking at wheels. CARTIER round solo watch box. Ta-da! And I was like, I don't want to take his because he's got his it's got his watch in it, obviously. So I didn't specifically go online looking for this, but I was looking at wheels going, it's just so beautiful because it doubles as a jewelry case. So I'm going to show you that. So here we go. Don't mind Zaki. He's just going to be in the background. So here we go. This is it. And I got this off an online seller who was just selling the box itself. Yes, it is authentic. I can tell straight away by the way you touch it. It's just, you can just tell. And then, yep, springs open. Beautiful. So you have the little CARTIER timepiece booklet. Sorry. So here's the little timepiece booklet that would have come, I suppose, with the watch that he had at the time. So this is where the beautiful, God, these boxes are so beautiful. So this is where the timepiece, the watch would have sat. So it sits on this little cushion. That's where Will sits. And you can see it's like in a setting. Like, this is a really beautiful box, and heaps of people sell packaging for this sort of reason, because other people may want it. So there's two little ribbon tabs here, so you just pull up on that, and the whole molding, like, which is actually in like a wood, it's so beautiful, comes out like so. So that's where the watch goes, and on the bottom is like it doubles as a jewelry case, because there's these sort of little cutouts, like squares, that I suppose you could separate your jewelry into. So, you know, I could put my watch there, my rings and my gold rings like that, and it's so beautiful. So yeah, I picked that up, and he was selling it for 80 bucks, and I thought, well, it's a hell of a lot of a better price and less than the Louis Vuitton one. And I mean, such goals, the Louis Vuitton Toulouse. It's such goals. A trunk, it's so classic, and I would love to definitely keep and achieve it. That one did have some defects, which a few subbies pointed out, but one day I will be able to get it back in my life, just not right now. But I'm glad I got to get my hands on it and have a look. And that's, you know, that would be the same as if I was shopping in the boutique and could see it, which you can't because it's not in the boutiques. But yay! So this is perfect. Perfect for the job. When your boys love you. Pull his hood up a bit to the side. He loves being on his tummy. I'm gonna put your walk down. Okay, where are we going? Shush. Alright, where are we going? What is the update? We are going to drop Zachy at Mum's. She's gonna have Zachy for a couple of hours. She misses him. Jara and his girlfriend have been here most of the week, so she wanted to have Zachy for a couple of hours today. And then, oh no, we're getting coffee first before we do that because Mama needs coffee. I didn't even change out. Like, it's just lies. It's lies if I say I changed out. I didn't. I quickly threw some stuff in this, my Chanel mini flap in lambskin in the color purple. I threw my stuff that I had been keeping in my baby bag for the last couple of days. I just threw it in here. I can do like a what's in my bag or what fits. Actually, I might do that. I might do that on my next vlog because I have to end this vlog here. I'm pretty sure I have no idea. It's quite choppy, but I'm going to end it here. I will see you in my next vlog, guys. Take care. Peace.